thing we'll be learning limit. Limit, it means, or it works as it limit the number of rows that will be shown in the result. Okay, this is in short. We have this question, which is show the highest three customers. Yeah, show the highest three customers in sales. So what we want is the three customers highest or has the largest sales in the customers. Okay, so if we use the way that we used before, we are going to say customers and also sales. So in this case, or when we use this one, what we'll get all the customers and also all the sales for each customer, of course, like this one. We have the customers and also the sales. But here we want to do a couple of things. First, we want to order the sales from highest to lowest. So we get the three highest, okay? First, we need to order the sales from highest to lowest. That's first. Second, we want to limit the number to be just three, the three highest sales customer, okay? So remove this one and start. First, we want order, because we want it to be ordered from highest to lowest. So we are going to say order by, and from here we can write the column that will be we want to order, which is sale, because we want to order the sales from highest to lowest. And also we want it from highest to lowest. So we want to make it descending from highest to lowest, because if we don't mention this order by sales, it is going to be from lowest to highest, which is the default. So we need to say descending. It means from highest to lowest. And the third thing is to limit. We want only three. We want the top three. So we say limit 3. So show me only the first three rows. So when we execute this one, what we'll get, first we have customers and sales. They are what we want. And we are going to start from, let's just make this here. We'll start from, because we said here, order by sales. So we will search for the sales to be the highest. What is the highest in sales? This one, which is Diana. And we are going to get Diana because it is the highest. And we say descending. And then what? Then we have Alice, the second highest. After that, we have what is after Alice? We have Fiona. And next is going to be Bob. After Fiona, we have Bob. And next we have Charlie. And the last one we have is Edward, which is the lowest sales, the lowest customer in sales. Okay? So now it is ordered from the highest to the lowest. Next is the last one, which is limit 3. So what I want is just the first 3 rows. So what we'll have, SQL is going to count 3 rows, 1, 2, and 3. These are the 3 rows, and we will be shown only the 3 rows. What is after the 3, 4, 5, and etc. will not be shown in the result. So this is what happened. First, we get the columns from the table, and then ordered by the sales, descending, highest to lowest, and the last thing, just limit the number of rows to be shown. So let's do it, or let's write it in VS Code. here instead of customer, we can make it like customer and sales as we want, but we want to add order by sales, Control E, Control E. Now it is ascending from lowest to highest. We want it from highest to lowest, so can make it descending and Control E, Control E, highest to lowest. And the last thing that we want is limit. And limit always is gonna be the last one. Limit 3, Control E, Control E. We have now the highest three rows. Okay. If you want like more like 5, we can just write 5 here and Control E, Control E. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the highest 5. And if we want to get the lowest 5 customers or the lowest 3 customers, just on what we need is remove the DSSA. So it is going to be ascending from lowest to highest and Control E, Control E. So we have the result, which is the lowest customers in sales. So this is how we can use limit to just get a number of rows in the result. We don't want the whole rows. We just want just numbering them. And also we can use limit without any like order, without any ascending, without anything like this. Let's say that we want just, let's say, all the customers, all the columns from customers, limit 3. So what will happen in this case? Just it will come to here and select just the first 3 rows and show them to us in the result. So this is what we get. Because we set the limit 3, the first 3 rows will be shown to us.